In this video, you are going to see how to subtract two numbers in Google Sheet. Here I have the basic salary and I have the medical allowances. And in this cell, I want the differences between these two numbers. So let us input the equal sign and select the cell and type here the minus symbol and select this cell and hit enter. Then you will get the differences in this cell and use your mouse to drag it down. Then you will get the differences between in all the cells. If you want to reapply it from here to here, let us click on equal sign, select this cell, input the minus symbol and select this one and hit enter. Then you will get the negative result. There is another option. Let us type here equal sign and write here minus and start the left parenthesis. Select the cell and put the comma and select this cell and close the parenthesis and hit enter. Then you will get the same result. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.